Hey guys, welcome back to another home workout. We're going to be working out on our shoulders, our back, and our biceps. You're going to need your resistance bands, your door anchor, water, and some music. So let's get this home workout started.
Alright guys, we're going to start with extend shoulder raises. And we're going to fully extend our shoulders and drop it down, and we're going to be doing a set of 12 to 15 reps. Now you want to go ahead and switch to the other side. Then we're going to go ahead and move into shoulder raises. These are going to be burning, guys, by the time that you're done with the other set. You want to do 12 to 15 reps. And we're also going to do 3 sets of these. Into one of my favorites, that it's the rows. Starting with 12 to 15 reps. Now we're going into the high rows, and we're going to be doing a set of, or reps, 15 reps. And also squeeze your back and really feel it. And also remember to, if it's too heavy, you can drop the weight on the resistant band. To one of my favorites, which is the Bicep Curl. Again, you want to drop the weight if it's too heavy for you, and do 12 to 15 reps. You know, I'm struggling right now because I was really burned, guys. Now we're going to switch arms and repeat. And now we're going to move into Now we're going into the upright rows, and I'm using a 10-pound resistant band, and I'm going to crisscross this so I can work those shoulders. So you want to go up and down, and these will burn after a while, guys, so you want to do about 15 reps if you can. Again, if it gets too hard, just do whatever you can. If you can do 5 or 10, that's good.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this home workout. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload more videos. I am doing weekly or daily home workout videos, so make sure to catch me on tomorrow for another home